Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a promotion on LinkedIn. Navigating LinkedIn's interface might seem a little daunting at first, especially if you're new to the platform. But don't worry, we're going to walk through this process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. Whether you've been promoted in a traditional role or you've leveled up in your own Shopify business, updating this properly helps position you as someone who's growing and progressing. So let's get started by heading to LinkedIn's website. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your usual credentials. Taking this step will bring you to your LinkedIn feed, which is always filled with the latest updates from your network, including posts from colleagues, business owners, and potential partners you may want to connect with. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you should see your profile icon. Click on it and a menu will appear. From this menu, select View Profile to navigate directly to your profile page. This is essentially your online resume and personal brand hub, so keeping it accurate and up-to-date is key. Now, once you're on your profile, scroll down until you see the Experience section. This is where you list all your past and present job roles, including business ventures or self-employed positions. Find the plus icon, which you should see somewhere near the top of this section. Clicking this icon will allow you to add a new position, which is perfect if you have a promotion to announce or if your role in your business has evolved. After clicking the plus icon, a pop-up window should appear on your screen. Look for the button labeled Add Position. Click this, and it will bring up a form where you need to fill in details about your new role. Enter information as accurately as possible, including your new job title, location, and a brief description of your responsibilities. This is a great opportunity to highlight new leadership duties, expanded responsibilities, or milestones you've reached in your business. One important tip: make sure the company or organization field remains consistent with your previous role if you're just updating your current position rather than moving to a totally different company. For example, if you're running a Shopify store and your role changed from founder to CEO, keep the company name the same. This will help maintain the continuity of your career path on your profile and clearly show your progression. Once you've gathered all the necessary details and filled in the form, the final and one of the most crucial steps is to click Save. You may notice an option to share this update on your feed. If you wish, you can toggle this option on so your network can immediately congratulate you on your promotion. This visibility can also open doors to new conversations, partnerships, or opportunities. And there you have it. You've successfully added a promotion to your LinkedIn profile, enhancing your professional image for anyone who views your online resume. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date with your career milestones not only keeps your connections in the loop, but also reflects your growth and accomplishments over time, which is especially important as a business owner or entrepreneur. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps.